everybody, Retro Tech Ralph here. Got a new trash to treasure. Yeah, if you saw the one of the last videos, I've got plenty of things to do, but this is real trash to treasure. This is the Xbox that came from my eBay jaunt. Now I'm going to try and see if it works. Got it plugged in, power supply and cable there for the AV. The front was completely smashed off when it arrived. I don't know whether it was, I don't think it was intentional, but I'm sure it was bad packaging, to be honest, which results in bad couriers. Yeah, so that's trashed, so I can't really do anything with that because the front is like this. But let's see if this thing works, shall we? Got it plugged in. This thing's hanging precariously off. I'm not too keen on, but okay, this seems to have life in it. It's absolutely filthy. Boot up, you can hear it on the background. Goes straight to the Xbox logo. There's no extra bit at the bottom, so it looks like it's an official Xbox, no modding at all. So let's just test 2. Oh, it's alright. Wrong button. Test 2 and see if the CD tray opens. Try again. Well, it does move. That's just filthy in there. It's nasty. Ooh. That's going to be the band that's knackered, that. Has to be. Well, screen shows everything working. Let's get my 360 controller out. Not 360, my Xbox controller out. It does seem to work. Be nothing on memory. Hard drive. Aha, okay. See what the person originally playing. Soundtracks. It takes up blocks. Music. Huh. Okay. Yep, enough for copyright rules to ban me. So, RMB, so whoever this kid was, I don't know. This all seems to work. I don't know which version this is, but we'll find out. There's no Xbox. I don't really go on Xbox Live anyway. That doesn't really interest me at all. Let's get this open. I've got an idea for this anyway, because, hold on, as luck would have it, I have the one that makes the camera roll. Now, the top case on this is alright, that's knackered. The front panel on this is fine, so that can come off and go on front of this one. But the problem with this is I've got a massive crack on here. It's not a scratch, it's a crack. So I take the bottom off that. The top and the crystals seem to work alright. There's not hardly much on there that I can't clean up. So maybe I could take the bottom, the front fascia plate, and the CD tray front there, because that is missing. So the clear front, clear bottom, and black top. But maybe, how about this for an idea? Clear, but spray the top. Because I know this Xbox works, and this one doesn't. I'm just full of ideas. I'm glad I didn't throw this in bin. It was on eBay. So usual rules apply. How to open these. Screw there, screws behind there. So yeah, so I'll get this open and we'll find out which one this is. Okay, screws are out. Now let's see. Oh, okay, so that case lid, let's have a look if there's any damage on this from delivery. Seems okay. Hope it is. I can use this as a something. Yeah, it seems all intact, that. The lid is fine. That's good. Right, this hasn't been touched ever. Right, torque there. Three torque screws. Just running around that like this. And there. And there. See, this is not my first Xbox. I don't want to come out. Something's running around inside it, and one up there. The power supply works on this as well, that's quite good. If the tray doesn't, then what the hell? That's a Samsung drive. Hey, I had one of them. Okay, cable out. Power cable. It's a bit stubborn. Come on, you know you want to. Okay. Dirty, dirty, dirty Xbox. Oh, for flip's sake. I mean, if that's not bad enough, then yeah. I don't think people realise exactly what these things do. Suck in anything, everything. Now looking at this from over here, I'm thinking this is a 1.6 board. Oh my god. Oh, we have visitors. I have spiders on there. Spider eggs, shells, whatever. Oh. I'm not sure the caddy then was actually broken or not. Some more piece of plastic. Go on a little action. Hot over here. I think I've already got another chipped, so I can actually chip this again. Connect on there, but I've got another visitor. A moth. Hello, mothy. Mothy, mothy, mothy. Yeah. Pieces of plastic. Right, so out of this, the other thing that I'm actually going to be needing is a top case and the board. I mean, this wasn't exactly planned. Yeah. And I know things come in and they're not perfect, but give this a clean. Get a blowout and see where we are from that. Right, good blow done. I've got rid of a lot of it, not all of it, but that's obviously got problems. I'm still covered in crap in that. Looks like there's a lot of grease on this, so I'm going to strip things down further and get them cleaned up. Oh god, I missed that bit, didn't I? Right, as soon as I'm going to be cannibalising two, I don't need this anymore. Or do I? No, I don't need it anymore. I'm going to bin that. Yeah, I'm still thinking I might need parts of that, you know. So it's over there. Right. strip down. What I want to do is take everything out of here. Power supply out. Yeah, this is definitely 1.6 board. Connector off. Connector off. Connector off. Fan connector at the side of there. Let me push these. Yes, right. Pull up towards you and out. Right. Screw time. Blimmin' screwdriver's not working right again. Hold on. Now I've decided on the bottom of the case I'm going to keep these feet. Don't know if I'm going to need them or not, but might as well. Oh, that side, that's it. These are cracking like they've never come out. Or the case is cracking. Capacitors look pretty good. I don't need to recap that, although I think, honestly I think they've already been done, but this has never been opened. And over here. One up top of here. One back here. And a little bit of jiggling. Out towards you that way, and then you're done. More fluff. I'll give this a good coat down with the alcohol. Now here comes my problem. These buggers like to electrocute me, so I'm being careful. That's starting to dome a little. Power supply out. Now that does work. I don't think the two that I've got do work, but that's fine. That's a bottom case, broken on the back, broken on the bottom. I've actually been a bit daft. I cut the holes out for these when this is going in the bin. Front panel, let's keep that. Strip everything. Slide backwards, took out the control ports. Did a mod on one of these, put a LED inside there. Works really well. Out, slide up and in. Like an expert by now, don't I? Card, is that card stuck in there? Yes. Is that any good? Possibly. So, that wants a good clean. A little bit of rust on that side of there. I'll compare this one with the other one. See if it's any good or not. I'm left with this. Yeah, that's in for the bin. So that's a fully stripped down Xbox. So leave it there for a minute. Part one done. And we'll see you in the next part. Bye bye now.